Hey, didn't hear my voice normally, didn't you? Hey, it's me, the Fanu, or Ashraf. I don't know, both of them count. And this is a video to tell you guys thank you so much for 50 subscribers. We're technically 51. Future Fanu here, it's actually 57 subscribers. And yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, and before we start the video, here's the picture of me in real life. Let's start. CACVGOC, the camp. I'm still in it. I'm in the final 4, and I'm doing great. And Loop is doing pretty good. Here's a little sneak peek on what the characters look like. Did you get it? Oh yeah, I have to tell you guys something. Do you know when I make my storyboards? Every part I make the animation.
You what?
So every time I make the storyboards with Autodesk Sketchbook, I make the animation with Flip. So yeah, but that was me as a child. I won't do that. I'll just make the assets and then make the storyboards, complete the storyboards, and then the animation and the voice acts. So yeah, that was the video, and thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers, and see you on the next video.